how to fix emergency calls only on your Android phone. So if you're getting an error that says emergency calls only whenever you're trying to make a call, now first of all, this is quite common whenever you are locked out of your phone. So when you're locked out of your phone, sometimes your phone will only allow you to make your emergency calls. But if that's the case, you have to make sure to try to unlock your phone first. Assuming that this is your own phone and that you're unlocked, there are a couple of steps that we can do. The first thing we can try to do is to restart our Android phone. So depending upon the device you're using, try to use your button combinations and try to restart your device to see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't help you solve the problem, you might also want to try to toggle on airplane mode. So swipe down from your control center, try to toggle on airplane mode, toggle it off again and see if that helps you. Make sure that you are in an area where you have got enough cellular strength or signal strength, because if you're somewhere where the tower is not quite properly supported, like in a quite remote area that is quite common, that could also be causing the issue. If you're using a physical SIM card, you can want to try to basically remove the SIM card and reinsert it again using a SIM pin to check if that helps you. You also might want to go to settings, and in the search bar of your settings, I'm just recommending you use a search bar because that's the easiest method. Just type in reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now, we're not resetting our phone, we just want to reset network and Bluetooth settings. So now we'll just go to reset network and Bluetooth settings here, tap on it, verify with our biometrics or any sort of details, and once done, you might be able to fix it. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.